Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. For this video, we've come out to Leafy Fields Glamping site. This is a family-friendly holiday site in the Devon countryside who also offer a fully inclusive and diverse experience. For this site, we've provided both a security and outdoor Wi-Fi mesh system. The security part of this install was a simple TOC turret camera installed facing the only entrance. TOCs are active deterrent cameras with both flashing lights and a siren. The images from this camera can then be viewed from the smartphone app from anywhere in the world. Then, for the outdoor Wi-Fi mesh system, we installed two Wi-Fi access points in outdoor rated enclosures, one at the bottom and one at the top of the site. The one at the bottom of the site providing Wi-Fi for the stables and first few camping plots, and the one at the top of the site providing Wi-Fi for the majority of the rest of the camping plots and cabins. The internet is taken from an existing connection at the bottom of the site and sent wirelessly up to the other end of the site using our wireless links.